Hi guys, how have you all been these days? It's really been a long time since I posted my last video, and even I didn't think my comeback would be with this result video because I was planning a silent vlog kind of to be posted on my channel in these days, but answer की आ गई तो so I gave my first priority to result video. So let's first tell you my score, then I have so much to share with you all. So remain till then. So my score out of 1000 in CUT is 720 something, and not gonna lie, I was literally in disbelief. Like, how did my score ended up this low? I mean, I was literally expecting a lot better. At least I thought I'll score 830 plus because domain मेरे अच्छे गए थे and the only problem was English and GAT. But yeah, as always, reality hits hard. And when I actually saw my score, something inside me just went numb. From that day till now, I have genuinely been feeling like a failure. Not gonna lie, really. सारे एफर्ट्स मेरे ना जो मैंने CUT में इन 2 मंथ्स में लगाए हैं ना, लिटरली बोल रही हूँ, एकदम ख़त्म होते दिख रहा है सब कुछ. सब लग रहा है कि एफ़र्ट्स जितने मैंने डाले थे कुछ भी वर्थ इट नहीं रहा. इससे अच्छा तो मैं कॉलेज CUT पे ध्यान ना देकर CA पे ही ध्यान दी होती तो एटलीस्ट मेरा सितंबर अटेम्प्ट तो मैंने दे दिया होता. आई नो द पेपर वॉजेंट इवन दैट टफ, like it was tough as compared to last year, but still there are so many people who have scored amazing marks, so I couldn't blame the toughness level or anything else. It was all because of my preparation and understanding that I have scored this much low. Now let's talk about the domain subject experience first, because I haven't shared my domain exam experience till date. So talking about accounts and BST, both went pretty good. I genuinely believed I would score above 230 or 235 in both, but I guess I was a bit too delusional. My actual score in BST is 226 and in accounts it's 201. I thought मेरे जो भी मार्क्स डेटेड होंगे अकाउंट्स में वो न्यूमेरिकल्स में होंगे, बट गेस व्हाट, मेरे न्यूमेरिकल सारे सही थे एक्सेप्ट जो मैंने अटेंड ही नहीं किया था. बट थ्योरी के क्वेश्चन जिसमें आई वॉज श्योर कि ये तो पक्का सारे सही होने वाले हैं, वही सारे गलत हो गए. इकोनॉमिक्स, टॉकिंग अबाउट इकोनॉमिक्स हेल भाई, लाइक when I saw the paper I was like, did I even study this subject in my entire commerce life? बट स्टिल क्वेश्चन पढ़ते लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम में तो नहीं, बट क्वेश्चन पढ़ते थोड़े समझ में आने लगी कि ये इस टॉपिक से है, इसका कंसेप्ट ये है. सो आई डिड ऑल ऑफ देम एंड माई एक्सपेक्टेशन इन दिस सब्जेक्ट वॉज एटलीस्ट 160 to 170 अराउंड, बट एंडेड अप विथ 158. नाउ कमिंग टू इंग्लिश, भाई you already know from my last video that it was a full on disasters, and the English and GAT both. In English I was expecting a bare minimum of 140, like seriously not less than that. I was sure कि मैं 140 से नीचे तो नहीं ही स्कोर करूँगी, कितना भी मैंने स्कोर किया होगा, बिकॉज जो वो कैप्स थे ना, उसके अलावा जितने भी अदर चीज़ें थी वो तो ठीक थी, बहुत अच्छी आई थी, वो मैंने किया था. इवन द पैसेज वॉज गुड. थोड़े ट्रिकी थे, बट एक जो मैंने बताया था कि एक ट्रिकी था, बट मेरे उसमें भी क्या बोलते हैं सही हो गए. बट ये वो कैप्स से रिलेटेड जितने क्वेश्चन थे वो गलत हुए, प्लस रीअरेंजमेंट तक का भी मेरा गलत हो गया. अब आई कुडंट बिलीव इट भाई, रीअरेंजमेंट गलत हुआ है मेरा. तो अब ऐसे करते करते माई स्कोर एंडेड अप टू 136. I really wanted to disappear from this planet at this point, but not gonna reveal my GAT score because trust me, it's worse than anything you are imagining, like bottom level bad. So just I wanted to skip that part, skip that score. And even though I scored a little good in 12th, now it feels like it's not even worthy. Nobody asks about your 12th marks anymore. It's just CUT. Honestly, I wasn't even planning to reveal my marks before. I was so scared of comments like यही पढ़ा था क्या और इतना तो बिना पढ़े ही आ जाए, or even more. But then this small angel part inside me whispered, जो हो गया वो हो गया, now you cannot escape from the reality. One day you have to, so why not now? Still, somehow, I have accepted my fate. It was hard to accept, but I did it. Cried, overthought, doubted everything, but accepted with a smile. And after talking with my parents and seniors, I have decided to not to fill the CSAS form, because let's be real, with a 730 score and a general category, I might get some off campus options, but honestly, it just doesn't feel worth it. The distance from my home to Delhi is huge, like too much, and if the college isn't good, it doesn't make sense to spend that much time and especially money. So yeah, that's where I stand right now. Now you will ask, if not you, then what? So I'll be revealing that in the next video. What are my plans? Am I not going to college, or am I going to some another private college, or what? Something I will reveal everything in next video. So make sure you subscribe and watch that video, and if you scored well, a big congrats. And if you didn't, like me, just remember, this isn't the end. Maybe God has some better plans for you. Maybe this will redirect you to some other path which is really good for your future. So don't take it as a rejection. I know it will be hard to believe, because मुझे भी same feeling आ रही है, but I believe in God's plan rather than mine. That's how I'm trying to look at it now. For 2 full days I was just grieving. I couldn't even think straight and not able to process out कि ये क्या हुआ. I kept asking myself, अब मैं क्या करूँगी, like अब कोई कॉलेज भी नहीं मिलेगा. But now I'm all fine, and I have made a decision that I truly believe will lead me somewhere meaningful. So if you're in the same situation, please don't let this one exam break you. There's more to come. Your life is not done yet. Explore more, explore some other options. So these were especially for those जिन्होंने genuinely मेहनत की थी but उनका रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया. Also a small message to any 12th grader watching this: please start taking subjects like English and GAT seriously. Like seriously. No matter how well your domain subjects go. Not only these two, but start focusing on overall CUT exam from now only. See you all in the next one. Don't forget to drop your scores or your feelings in the comments. Bye bye and take care.